Oh no, I didn't. Okay, green light means go. Oh. What is he doing? Do you need to learn the traffic laws?
Hello there, mister.
Hello, how are you doing?
Are you Satan Claus?
No, I'm Wigglesworth. How are you doing? Oh, are you evil? That sounds like an evil laugh. Okay, well that sounds like an evil laugh to me.
I gotta get on my way now.
Okay, bye! Boy, oh boy, I love making friends. Oh, Wigglesworth, 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 Wigglesworth. Oh boy, oh boy. Pearls is about to open. Pearls. Pearls, 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 pearls. Let's go to Pearls Cafe and have ourselves some seafood. Seafood, 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 seafood. Oh, Wigglesworth on the beach, dressed as Santa Claus. Oh boy. Oh, there, my friend.
Hello.
Oh, hello again, Alder. Do you need a ride?
Yeah, man.
Oh.
I'm at the hospital.
Oh, you're at the hospital? Okay. Well, I'll come pick you up.
Thank you.
No problem. Oh, Wigglesworth, 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 Wigglesworth. Doing. The boathouse is open. The boathouse is open. Oh boy, I could finally get my lawnmower. Oh boy. Lawnmower, lawnmower, lawnmower. Lawnmower, lawnmower, lawnmower. All right. Where are you? Where, oh, where?
Hello.
Hi, I'm here to pick up a patient. I don't know where he is, though.
Everybody's getting picked up.
Oh, his name is Alder, and he said that he was... let me call him. Alder.
Hello.
Hey, Alder. I am at the hospital right now, in the drive-thru. Where are you at?
I'm in the bench by the drive-thru.
Oh, maybe... Are you downstairs?
Yeah, probably, yeah, I think I'm downstairs.
Oh, boy. I'm coming right now. Good thing my car can go downstairs. There you are.
Santa!
Oh boy, oh boy.
Oh, so what the fuck? I'm
Oh,
sorry, Santa.
it's alright. I meant to roll the windows down anyway. Oh, where are you going?
The down bad apartment, Santa.
Alright. Consider it done, Alder.
You're the best, Santa.
Oh boy. Don't mention it, Alder. After all...
How long have you lived here, Santa?
Oh, like 2 months or so. It's pretty nice.
You done anything crazy?
Well, I broke into someone's house and then they didn't kill me. And then I lived in the sewer. And then, I've done a lot of things. It's just usually what I think about doing, I just do it. Oh shit! Oh boy, that was so much fun.
What the hell is that guy's problem?
Yes, should we ask him?
Yeah.
Alright, he went downstairs. Oops. Excuse me, truck driver.
You wrecked my car!
Oh, no, you wrecked my
shit,
car.
Santa.
Yes, it is. It's Wigglesworth the Claus. Anyway, can you pay for my car?
I haven't got no money. This isn't even my truck.
Oh, it's not? Wait.
Nah,
Is
you can
it?
take it if you want it.
Alder, do you want his truck?
Yeah, I want his truck.
Oh, go take his truck.
Hell yeah.
Oh boy, oh boy. Wait. Oh no. Oh no, I'll give you a ride. Don't need to point a gun at me.
I would never point a gun at you, Santa.
Of course not. You would instantly
I'd
make the
scare
naughty
her off.
list. Oh,
The
good.
what?
The naughty
would never-
list. I would give you
best, Santa.
so much gold. But since you didn't, I won't.
You're my Lord and Savior, Santa.
Oh, of course. Here. No need to get on the ground. Alright, that's all you get for now.
Fly away, Santa.
Oh,
Thank you.
no problem.
Be safe out there.
You
These
as
people are
well.
naughty.
Yes, very naughty. Say, you should probably shoot them.
I will shoot naughty people.
Oh boy, oh boy. Good, good, good. It's what they deserve.
Sir, I
Well,
only shoot naughty people.
yes, of course, as you should. Also, eat your vitamins and get plenty of exercise.
And eat your vegetables.
Yes, your vegetables and all of the apples you can find. Oh boy. Oh boy. We
Alright,
dance.
Santa. We better go make some money.
Yes, we should. Bye. Oh my, oh my. Crazy, what the heckle-deckle? Oh. Successful landing acquired. Damn it. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I can't wait to buy a lawnmower. Oh no. Oh no. Are you okay, sir?
I'm dead.
Oh, come here. I'll save you. Come on. It's going to be okay.
My leg's broken.
No, no, no. I'll get you patched up real nice and soon. Let's go. Hospital, 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 hospital. Here we go. Oh, oh sorry. I forgot what the road was.
My leg.
Remember where we parked. It's time to get you nice and taken care of. Oh boy. There you are, my good friend.
Thank you.
No problem. Tally-ho. Is it... Were you able to check in? Oh. Awkward. There we are. Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Oh boy. Lawnmower, lawnmower, lawnmower. Lawnmower, lawnmower, lawnmower. Who can I buy a lawnmower from?
I can get you set up with a lawnmower real quick.
Oh, boy!
Anything.
Lawnmower, lawnmower, lawnmower.
Oh, not a keychain though. I want it back. Alrighty, buddy.
Alright. Lawnmower time.
Would you mind just showing me an ID, please?
Oh shit. Let me go get one. I'll be
Yeah,
right
you're able to
back.
run and get them right over at the job center over there.
Okay. Lawnmower, 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 lawnmower. Lawnmower, lawnmower, lawnmower. Lawnmower, lawnmower, lawnmower. Lawnmower, 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 lawnmower. Lawnmower, 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 lawnmower. I've come for my lawnmower.
Is it fucking Santa Claus?
No, I'm Wigglesworth the clown.
Oh, fuck.
Yes. Would you like to do burpees with me?
I'm alright, brother. I'm alright.
Alright. Fine. Have it your way. Burger King.
Alright. By showing me that ID, we'll get you set up with your lawnmower, buddy.
Oh boy, oh boy. There you are.
Thank you, thank you.
No problem. You know, all of my life I've wanted a lawnmower. Truly fulfilling a lifelong dream right now for Wigglesworth. Oh boy. And it's green. Perfect.
15,000, sir. Unfortunately, I cannot discount.
Oh, no worries. Wigglesworth is rich.
Signing here for me, please, and thank you, sir.
No problem. Oh boy. And honest,
Thank you, thank you.
I think I'm going to keep the green.
Perfect, perfect.
Oh boy.
Well, you enjoy, buddy, and good luck with mowing your lawn.
Oh boy, oh boy. I don't even have a lawn. I live in the sewer. Bye. Wigglesworth, 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 Wigglesworth. Lawnmower, lawnmower, lawnmower. Lawnmower, 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 lawnmower. Lawnmower, lawnmower, lawnmower. Lawnmower, lawnmower, lawnmower. Oh no! Oh no! Could you? Would you let me know? I'm stuck. I'm stuck on the railroad.
Well, I rolled in the sandy boat, house sign in sight, clown shoes squeaking in the desert light. Salesman grinning says, you're my guy. 15 grand later and I'm riding high. Green mower gleaming, purring like a dream. Neighbors in Los Santos about to hear me scream. I fired it up with a clownish grin. Los Santos, baby, I'm coming in. I bought me a mower for 15K, riding on back to the city way. Sandy Shore special, hear it break. Clown on a mission, what can I say? Took the dirt road shortcut, thought I was slick. Engine rumbled like a carnival trick.
Boingy,
Didn't see the tracks till it
boingy.
was too late. Front wheels caught, I accepted my fate. Rocking it back, cussing in rhyme. 15 grand stuck, that's a damn crime. Spun those wheels till my face turned red. Guess I'll need help or this thing is dead. Stuck on the tracks, can't get free. Mower looking back, judging me. Desert wind laughing, tumbleweed spree. Wigglesworth's curse of the dealership fee. Ran back fast to the boathouse lot. Give me my clown car, I'm losing the plot. Jumped in the jalopy, nose honking loud. Engine backfired like applause from a crowd. Rolled up mean with a maniac laugh. Lined it up perfect and gave it a rap. Pushed that mower with a clownish might. Knocked it off the tracks and set it right.
I got my lawnmower.
Hi,
I got my lawnmower.
you got your lawnmower, I see.
Oh my
Keep it
god.
clean.
Yes, sir. Thank you
Oh, yeah.
once again. Oh, I'm so happy.
Of course.
Oh boy. Oh,
Glad to
it's
see Mr. Wiggles riding around, Mr. Wigglesworth.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Rico, right?
Now you can wiggle on down the highway.
Oh,
Yeah,
Rico Worth.
Hell
Oh
yeah.
boy. Oh boy. You know, this thing gets up to 15 miles per hour. It's so
hell yeah, you're getting it.
Yes, I'm going to be getting all of the pussy.
Hell yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Alrighty, Rico
Take that down
Claus.
with the vanilla unicorn.
Oh, you know it.
Clown car saving the day for sure. Pushing my mower with a greasy lure. 15K wasn't pure manure.
Look, no hands.
Well, that's a quick one.
Yes, of course.
You couldn't find something with some more speed?
No, this thing goes super fast. What are you talking about? A full...
I like it. I swear to God, I like it.
Oh, thank you. I like
You
you.
have a safe trip, man.
You too. I like your lawnmower too, by the way.
Yeah, I think my lawnmower costs a little bit more than yours, but I do. I really like it. It looks like a John Deere. That's a nice ride, man. Take it.
Yes, sir. You too. Bye.
My ride with the clownish cure. Took the dirt road shortcut, thought I was slick. Engine rumbled.
Hi.
It's a goddamn racing mower.
Oh, yes, it is.
It's a goddamn racing mower.
Oh, let's race. Alright, on your mark, get set. Oh shit, hold on. On your mark, get set, go. I'm gonna win. You too.
Hopped on the mower, slapped the seat, turned that key, victory sweet. Engine coughing, but it still held strong. Highway stretching my...
Wigglesworth, Wigglesworth, Wigglesworth. It's Pancho! Oh my god!
Santa.
Oh, how are you doing? It's so good to see you.
Man, what are you doing over here?
Oh, I'm just here to grab myself some seafood.
Oh yeah, definitely, man. Definitely get the lobster if you can.
The lobster? Oh boy, is it named Larry?
Maybe.
Oh, maybe.
Have you do you have a red balloon I could have?
Oh, I don't have a red balloon, but I do have I have this I could give you.
Oh,
It's basically a balloon.
you know, yeah, it is. Yeah,
Oh,
I gotta
boy.
blow it myself.
Yes, it gets kind of slimy as well, but you know.
Yeah, I know. I used one before.
Oh boy. You know, they fit strangely well around one's
Oh, that's true.
place.
Yeah. Hopefully
No.
this one fits my size.
Hopefully, although it was an XS, so
Yeah.
double XS.
Maybe I need a triple XS, man.
Potentially. It's alright though, if it doesn't fit you, you can always give it back to Wigglesworth.
Oh, that's very true. Yeah. Oh yeah. Do you do bookings?
Yes, of course. Are you looking to hire a clown?
You know, my buddy, she said she's having a birthday soon, and I would love to surprise her.
Oh my goodness gracious. Yes, please.
Yeah, well, let me just get your contact info.
Oh, of course. Yes, of course. The biggest celebration of them all.
Alright, well, I'll shoot you a text and see what you're charging. I appreciate it.
Alright, of course, good sir. What's your name
Alright.
again, by the way?
My name's Dylan.
Dylan. Alright. Wigglesworth.
Nice to meet you. Alright, well, I'll see you around, alright? Take care.
Alright, you as well, Dylan.
Alright.
Oh boy, I'm gonna be so rich. Hello.
Hello.
How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
Oh,
What can I
I'm
get for you?
wonderful. My friend Dylan said that the lobster is really good, so I'll have 5
It
of
is.
them.
Okay.
Sorry, I didn't mean to cut you off.
Did you want any drinks?
Oh, let me see. Drinks. There we go. I'll have 7 milks.
Alright, let me go ahead and make that for you.
Oh boy. I'm so excited. I love milk.
Yeah, I can see that.
Yes, of course. Gotta keep that potassium up. Wait, does milk have potassium?
What?
Does milk have potassium?
Yeah, it does.
Good. Okay, then I'm drinking the right stuff.
Okay.
Oh boy, oh boy.
So I'm just charging you the $1 because we got a tab going.
Oh, even better. Oh. There you are.
Thank you.
No problem.
And that's right there on the tray for you.
Potassium, here I come.
Hi, Wiggles.
Oh, hello. Wait, who are you? You have a mask on.
I'm Leto.
Oh, nice to meet you, Leto. My name's Wigglesworth.
Oh, I know.
Oh, boy. What are you doing here?
I'm getting drunk.
You're getting drunk. Say, I just got some potassium. Would you like some?
Oh, yeah.
Yes. Oh, potassium.
Beautiful.
Oh, you ready for this?
I am.
There we are. Don't tell anyone I did that for you.
No, I won't.
No,
Thank you, Wiggles.
no problem. What did you say your name was again?
Leto.
Leto, that's right.
Oh,
Thanks.
yeah.
All right. I'll see you, Catman.
I'm a bunny, but close enough.
Leto, that's right, not Catman. Silly, silly, silly. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above, a world so high, like a diamond shining in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Pirate, 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 pirate. Oh, 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 helicopter, 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 helicopter. Oh, helicopter, helicopter, helicopter.
Get out of here, man!
Oh, helicopter. Watch from over here. He likes watching. He just likes to watch. He just likes to watch. He just likes watching. Watching. Helicopter. Helicopter. Where did the criminal go? I see movement. It's movement. Oh, why are we? Wait, are we protesting? Oh.
I recommend to leave. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh, okay. I thought
For
we were
your
protesting.
safety, I would leave. No.
Oh,
I
okay.
am, but I wouldn't join me. It's not safe.
Okay. Well, have fun.
Okay, we'll try.
What is about to happen? I think he's full of dookie. Oh my. Oh my.
Ding dong, get out of here. Get out of here, ding dong. Quick,
Oh,
quick,
ding
quick.
dong, ding dong. Ding dong. Ding dong, ding dong. Taco Bell, Taco Bell.
Guys screaming threats at the helicopter beast. Cops shouting orders, dropping C's. I tiptoed close with my clownish grace. What you doing, big
There are blue cars everywhere. Oh, Peaches nice watching.
in alleys where he shouldn't go. Laughing at madness like a late night show. Clown in the chaos, stealing the glow. He just likes watching, sir. Go away. He just likes watching. What is wrong with you? Gunfire cracks, crowd hits the deck. I skip to the side to avoid the wreck. Cars explode in a fiery bloom. Wigglesworth giggles at the impending doom. He just likes watching wide-eyed stare. Sirens singing in the smoky air. People run screaming, but he's still there. Clown of calamity without a care. Helicopter sweeps with its searchlight bright, catching his grin in the pale moonlight. Police in cover, guns ablaze. He just hum tunes in a foggy daze. He just likes watching, oh what a sight. Dancing with shadows in the bloody night. Sipping the chaos like fine delight. Clown in the war zone, feeling alright.
He just likes watching. He just likes watching. He just likes watching.
Honk my horn and tip my hat. Wave at shadows, have a chat. Sing a tune to the empty street. Dance around on stumbling feet. One more laugh before I go. One more smile for the show. Maybe someone's watching slow. Maybe someone wants to know. Spinning circles just for fun.